Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, itutour ko kayo sa beautiful attractions of Nature Park&Resort. So enjoy!
Tea is sweet like smiles on faces. Water's warm, so jump right in. In the pastures, horses race and breezes blow on your skin.
Tara!
Make it last as long as you can. Make the sunlight your best friend. Sleep with windows open and then begin.
Pagkapasok mo ng room, ito yung bubungad sa'yo. On the right side is the bathroom. There you can see the mirror, mga complimentary toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, soap, and tissue.
Take a breath, it's summer, summer. Go out barefoot in the rain.
So ganda,
Pick
so
tomatoes and
neat, so
cucumber.
tidy
You can eat them all day.
showers. At dyan naman
Find a
nilagay yung
tree
mga
and
towels
sit
nila.
right under. Watch the ladybugs take flight. Try and catch a four-leaf clover. Everything is
Then you can
alright.
see two beds.
Make it last as
Nagtabi lang
long
namin yung
as
bed
you
since
can.
kaming dalawa lang
Make the
naman.
sunlight your best friend. Sleep with
Of course,
windows
there's the
open
telephone,
and then
lampshade,
begin.
and then TV na laging inaabangan ng anak ko. They also have this wood cabinet wherein you can put your clothes inside. And tingnan nyo naman ang kanilang balcony. So laki. So ganda talaga. Ng view na nakikita mo ang sarap ng kape every morning. At
Make it
sobrang
last as
lamig.
long as you can.
Promise.
Make the sunlight your best friend. Sleep with windows open and then begin. Begin again.
O diba, ang linis ng room.
Take a breath, it's summer, summer. Take a breath, it's summer, summer. Take a breath, it's summer, summer.
After namin napahinga ng saglit, we went to the Vista restaurant to have our early dinner.
Vamos sin presión. Quieres saltarte todos los procesos.
And this is what we had for dinner. We have salad, chicken, we also have fruits, and lemon juice. So tara, kain ulit tayo.
Baby, va rápido, bájale, pa' que esta vuelta se note. Entre más lento, más rico y más.
So the day after, gumising kami ng maaga and naglibot-libot kami. And guess what? Tingnan nyo naman ang view. Baguio feels, diba? Ang tataas ng pine trees at ang lamig-lamig talaga, promise.
Que la luna se haya ido, que no hayan promesas, es tiempo perdido. Si estamos juntos, para algo hemos coincidido. Te pones ansioso y eso lo noto. Besos en el cuello y siento que floto. En un par de horas se vuelvo devoto. A mí, cómo me muevo, eso te pone loco. Dime lo que quieras que yo me coloco. Y va llegando poquito a poco.
And this is the playground. It is situated near the Vista restaurant, overlooking the Deer Park and Fishing Village. Kids will be excited to try the swings, slides, climbing frames, and rides.
Tiempo te dedico, despacio ven, provócame, en lo oscuro tócame, siente mi piel, estoy caliente como tú, se repite como un déjà vu, ven tócame, siente mi piel.
This is what we had for breakfast, still at Vista Restaurant. So tara, kain ulit tayo.
Vamos sin presión. Quieres saltarte todos los procesos, ya viene la acción. Que tú me pidas. Si no te sueltes, sube la tentación. Siente la conexión. Yeah, yeah.
This is the map of Eden Nature Park and Resort. As you can see, sobrang lawak ng place. Ang daming attractions na mapupuntahan ninyo. And if you were not able to watch my previous vlogs, please do so. Kasi dun sa previous vlogs ko, doon namin ginawa yung mga sky activities like sky swing, horseback riding, sky cycle, fishing village, as well as the glamping area.
Ready to go, ready to go, I'm ready to go. With what I've got, I can move the sun, I can move the moon. With what I've got, it's magic. I can melt the mountains, I'm my stars, melt the mountains, I'm my stars. With what I've got, I can move the sun, I can move the moon. Take a little tour to the magic lands, where the dreams spread far beyond the land. Endless possibilities like wonderland. We'll be soaring high and we never land. Pictures of the mind true. We're young and we're strong too. All our dreams gon' come true. You can be what you wanna be. We don't need a feeling, we just stand out. Don't ever be afraid just to try out. New thing, cause the mind is limitless. Do it right, you can win regardless.
This is the bamboo maze. You can challenge yourself with the breathtaking twists and turns depending on how good you are with navigating. Ito naman ang kanilang aviary. Ang lalaki ng mga koi fishes nila. And tingnan nyo naman si Isaac. Enjoy na enjoy siyang panuurin. After our little tour, we head back to the station. And eto na talaga yung totoong tour, guys. The shuttle tour. Enjoy, everyone!
These refrain from picking the plants and flowers, as well as teasing and or petting the animals that may roam around the area. This is the end of this safety briefing. To your left is our fishing village, where you can catch tilapia or St. Peter's fish and hito or catfish. We will provide you with fishing rods and bait, and you may choose to either have us cook your catch or you take them out with you on your way home.
Yan mga dears.
On your left is our deer pen. This is an extension of our deer park, which you will see shortly. To your far right are our Vista cottages, our deluxe accommodations. is the Deer Park, where we have about 30 Philippine deer. The Philippine deer, also known as the Philippine sambar or the Philippine brown deer, is a species of deer native to the forests and grasslands on most larger islands of the Philippines. It is classified as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature due to its increasingly fragmented populations as a result of habitat loss and hunting. The Philippine deer is a medium-sized species, but generally much smaller than its cousin, the sambar deer. It is mostly even brown in color, with the exception of the underside of the tail, which is white. The antlers of the male are quite small, usually having a length of 20 to 40 centimeter or 7.9 to 15.7 inches. On your right are our hydroponics greenhouses, where we grow leaf lettuce, romaine or red salado lettuce, arugula, salad tomato, Japanese cucumber, basil, parsley, and celery. Hydroponics is a soilless way of planting that uses just water to provide the vegetables with nutrients. Use pesticides or chemical sprays on these vegetables. They are regularly served in our main restaurant. They are also available in selected supermarkets downtown. Simply look for the Green Edens. The road on your left is a small, multi-level function area called Holiday Terraces, so named after its multiple terrace design. On your left is the Mangosteen Orchard, which covers a total of about 3 hectares. Across the road on your right is our Gulayang Pilipino, where we showcase our organically grown local vegetables. These vegetables are also available in selected supermarkets downtown. Again, simply look for the Green Eden seal. We are now entering the flower garden, where we have different varieties of flowers. This is our first stopover. Feel free to explore and enjoy, but please refrain from picking the flowers. You may also access the Gulayang Pilipino through here. You have 5 minutes to roam around. Brochures for these resorts are available at the front office. You may also follow us on all our social media. We are passing through the Rainbow Pass, where each arc has flowers that correspond to a particular rainbow color. We also have a rainbow art installation, which is often used for prenuptial and wedding pictorials, and even during outdoor wedding ceremonies held in the amphitheater. We are now entering the the forest area. Time for a brief lesson in geography. Eden is sitting on the lower slopes of Mount Talomo, which is part of the Apo Talomo mountain range. It stands at 8,873 feet or 2,674 meters above sea level. By comparison, Eden's highest point is approximately 3,000 feet or 914 meters above sea level. We are now going through the second phase of our mangosteen orchard. Here are some facts about mangosteen. Mangosteen, or Garcinia mangostana, is native to Southeast Asia. Since ancient times, it has been cultivated in Malaysia, Borneo, Sumatra, mainland Southeast Asia, and the Philippines. It is often used in traditional medicine. Mangosteen seedlings take between 8 to 15 years before they can bear fruit. But even trees as old as 100 years still be productive. And now, for a brief history lesson. Eden used to be a logged over area with most of its primary forest gone. It was only in the 1970s that development started. The owners carved terraces along the mountain slope. They also started planting thousands of pine seedlings as well as other trees and plants. These trees now make up the man-made forest that we are going through today. Speaking of pine trees, Eden has three varieties: Benguet, Canadian, and Norfolk. The Benguet pine, also known as the Cassie pine or three-needle pine, is one of the most widely distributed pines in Asia. Its range extends south and east from the Cassie Hills of India to Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam, southern China, Myanmar, and the Philippines, where it gets its name from the province of Benguet. The Caribbean pine is native to Central America, Cuba, and the Bahamas. It is a fast-growing species. The Norfolk pine is endemic to Norfolk Island, an external Australian territory in the Pacific Ocean. It is not a true pine, as it belongs to the genus Araucaria and not genus Pinus. We are now at our second stop over, Inugdan, Eden's tribute to the indigenous cultures of Mindanao. You will see here artistic interpretations of the traditional practices and worldviews of the humans, the indigenous peoples of Mindanao, from their architecture and farming, to their social and political structure, to their stories and mythologies. You may disembark and roam around for 5 minutes. view of Davao City, the Davao Gulf, and Samal Island, where our sister resorts, Ana Marina and the Island Bella Vista, are located. Brochures for these resorts are available at the front office. You may also follow us on all our social media. To your right is our organic herb garden, where we grow various herbs and spices, which we use in the Vista restaurant. Welcome to Lola's Garden. Lola is a Filipino for grandmother. In this garden, you will find plants and flowers traditionally grown in Philippine gardens. This is our third and final stopover before returning to the nature center. You have 5 minutes to roam around.
That's the end of the shuttle tour, guys. And now we're heading to the Vista Garden. We'll be having our lunch because we are so hungry. So tara, kain ulit tayo! So, after we had our lunch, naglakad-lakad uli kami para matagtag ang among kinaon because we are so full. Ang sarap ng food. So, ayan, heading back to our cottage, madadaanan kasi yung deer farm. So, on our last day, we had our brunch still at the Vista restaurant. So, tara, kain ulit tayo. And in the afternoon, we went to the swimming pool. Sobrang laki ng swimming pool, guys. At saka ang linis. And guys, sobrang lamig. Hindi ko kinaya mag-swimsuit dito. And dito na magtatapos ang aming Eden Nature Park and Resort Adventure. Maraming salamat sa panunood. Please do not forget to click like and subscribe para updated kayo sa aming next travel adventures. Thank you so much. Bye!